Here, quota detail. Quota detail 2025. Okay. So ito yung sa quota detail natin. So quota generate detail. So kung ano yung nasa quota natin. So ililipat niya dito. So may scale tayo. Let's say 1:100. So draw. So kung ano yung nasa quota structure natin, may detailed drawings na tayo dito. So ito yun. So ito yung mga parameters natin kanina from our code. So ito yung sa columns, mga detailing natin. And ito yung sa formworks and yung sa formworks pa rin to. Ito pala yung footing. So your photo detail lang po is hindi lang po siya basta for your detailed drawing. So as you can see here, may steel facade tayo for scaffoldings. So you can also design your scaffolding. So automated na din siya. So number of bay, let's say sabihin natin 6. So may additional siya. So may mga materials tayo dito. So yung code na ginagamit niya is Turkish code. Since walang code I think wala yatang code si NCP regarding dito. So in design detail, start analysis. So pwede mo siyang export to SAP. So may report dito. So ito yung report ng scaffoldings. So naka-under siya kang Turkish code. So detailed drawing. So select ko lang yan dito. So ito yung detailed drawings ng scaffoldings natin and yung mga quantity take off. Aside scaffolding, so meron din tayong stairs. Ito na lang muna. Cantilever retaining wall. So yung kailangan natin dito is ang soil parameters ng geotechnical engineer. So input lang yung dito. Automated din siya. So yung geometry, so pwede natin lagyan ng ito. Click mo to. Pwede nang click mo ito. So ito, yung selection niya is ito. Gawin mong straight nito. Or lagay ka ng share key. Hmm. So analysis, try natin ipapasa ko siya. So ito yung sa loadings natin. So you need your geotechnical report. Hmm. I think nag-fail siya sa design. Try kong pansin. Ito lang. For the, aside from that, may stairs dito. Pero yung si Prota 2026, pwede mo i-model yung sariling stairs sa model. So, may design tayo. Yung lalabas. Detailed drawing. Ah, may mali yata. So, aside from that, may retrofit walls. Hindi ko kasi ito ginagamit. Pinapakita ko na lang. So, may swimming pool din. So, ito yung model natin. So, Basically, yung hinahanap din niya is yung parameters. So, may properties dito is our soil parameters din from our geotechnical report. Design, drawing details. Ito yung sa quota detail. Break muna ko CR muna. Can I request a 5 minutes break muna? CR lang.
Hello, so quick reminders lang po again for our participants. Please ensure your microphones are muted at all times during the session. Let us continue
Ay,
to show respect to the speaker and fellow participants by practicing proper online behavior. Thank you.
may question po ba? So basically, ito lang yung workflow ni Botas. So if we're designing commercial or residential, mas padali yung trabaho natin. Ibalik ko muna sa Prota yung screen. Baka hindi pa ako na-discuss. No? Show Prota structure. Loadings and review. Analysis design. So aside for structural analysis and design, if you go here on our design analysis, so we have seismic joint here, time history analysis, pushover, multi-pushover risky assessment, and our analytic geometry. So, so as you can see, aside for structural analysis, kaya din niyang gawin yung existing analysis, yung ginagawa natin kang Sysmobuild. And aside from that, if we go to check 3D lang muna natin. Or 3D, so dito, as you can see, pwede tayong maglagay ng seismic isolators dito. So ito yung mga requirements niya. And for retrofitting purpose, pwede rin tayong mag nonlinear analysis and pwede tayong mag jacketing ng column and yung mas madali yung CRF natin. CFRP pala, sorry. So, as you can see, naka-Turkish code siya, TBDY. So, TBDY is, I think, is part din ng yung sa mga existing building. Part niya is si FEMA 416 and I think ASCE, merong ASCE doon. AC 7-16 yata, if hindi ako nagkamali. So, okay lang ba if mag still design ako?